Lepas tu now nak pergi event kedua. So let's touch up my makeup and in the car. I'm using the House Cosmetics blush in peach of mine. You akan ingat this kind of colour tak sesuai untuk tan skin, but you are wrong. It's honestly so pretty. Look at that. It will give you like a very nice flash of colour. Cantik. Y'all keep asking me if I'm still using the house powder. Yes guys, of course. This is literally the best compact powder ever. My shade is medium sand. I'm going to take a bit on the puff. Look at that. And then bawah mata. It's literally, look at that. Usually compact powder all is very white, you know. So it tak sesuai untuk tan skin. But look at this powder. It looks like foundation but it's just powder. Oh my god. Abang motor tickle sini. I just want to tambah blush sikit because I've been starting to like blush so much, you guys. Like I love blush. Renalkan sedikit. And then I have lipstick. Remember to touch up in the car, you must carry this around because it's so easy. And then look at it. You do like you pakai foundation but tak pakai foundation. Hey, let's go